Hello friends, let's learn how to make clear a dark image or a dark letter. Most of the time we receive letters, images through WhatsApp, email, fax machine and other sources. When we print that or when we present that to someone, so it's quite clear that due to dark in nature, that is not in form of readable. So we use different software to make the image clear. Let's leave that software. Do each and every step in single one MS Word. Remember the method I show you in MS Word is also usable in MS PowerPoint. So we will copy, we will clear and we will make it readable for printing. So let's go to the screen and watch it.
Now you are watching four different letters, which is dark and clear. So we will first use the conventional method, which is also pertain to MS Office app. However, through this method, you cannot clear the dark image to your desired level. So let me tell you that we will do this in proper MS Word file to clean it completely. This is the conventional method, which is also available in MS Office software. So what we do, we press edit picture and then autocorrect, and we change the level of colors through which it can be clear to some extent. Now you have seen this. I shared this just to get you clear. Now we are in MS Word, which is open, paste image and select format, select arrow, and now presets. Don't go away, you will see the letter completely clear. In preset, you can see that a lot of images are available, so you may select the clearer one which is you think the fit, or you can change it anywhere. This is the most bright. However, let's select another one. Selected, and we will now change the contrast. It's not suitable, so we will check the above option. It's not also the desired level, so we will use sharp and soften. Now you will see the difference. We will also change crop, etc. Complete changes. Now you can see that we have sharpened it and the text is clearly visible. Now use corp. Same command is available in format. So we need not to use multiple software or multiple apps. This could be done in a single document, which is MS Word. So simply open MS Word and use format. Format, you can see that the letter is completely clear. If you want to get more clear picture, I can also share the same with you. Write me in the comment box if you would like to change the borders, so you can select, you can rotate, you can differentiate shapes and whatever you would like. So we can do each and everything in single document. So let's save it. Now let's do again with another copy. Simply copy, open MS Word, note it, paste it, click on the picture and go to format. Picture is selected, format will be now open. Now format is open. This is just to give you a clear picture. And again go to preset, select the most dark and use also how to change sharpness. Now you can see that your image is completely readable, even you can read it from far away. You can do corping, you can do each and everything. So in a single document, you can do this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press like.